I want to show you how to obtain your New Jersey dealer license. A New Jersey used motor vehicle dealer license is more than just a legal requirement. It's really a gateway to a profitable business opportunity. And with your New Jersey license, you can buy vehicles at wholesale dealer auctions where prices are thousands of dollars lower than retail. In addition, it opens the door for unlimited vehicle selling because the state does limit the number of vehicles you can sell without a New Jersey dealer license. But with your license, you can also offer financing. You'll be able to sell extended warranties, vehicle service contracts, which can add thousands of dollars of profit to the sale of every vehicle. You can also legally export vehicles to other countries where there's a huge demand for certain models and higher profits. And if you're getting into exports, I've got another video later on in the playlist for you, and I'll cover that process in depth. But if you are aware of a country that has a need for a specific type of vehicle right now, please let me know in the comments below so we can share that information with other dealers. You can also get into the very profitable F&I side of selling. F&I stands for finance and insurance, but it includes many aftermarket products such as vehicle service contracts, guaranteed asset protection, which is gap insurance, which covers the vehicle's payoff if it's damaged and things like that. You can sell credit life insurance. Prepaid maintenance plans can be very lucrative. Tire and wheel protection. You can also give road hazard protection, paint and fabric protection. You can even sell dent and ding protection, windshield protection. Roadside assistance is very popular and profitable. Provides towing, jump starts, and things like that. F&I that you sell at the time of the sale can triple or even quadruple the profit of the sale of every vehicle from just a markup alone. F&I is an extremely high profit sector of this industry. I'm going to show you how to do that later on in the course. Simply put, obtaining a New Jersey dealer license provides access to lower cost vehicles, higher profits, and an unlimited growth potential in a booming automotive market. And if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to give you direct contact information with the New Jersey dealer license section that you can contact directly with other questions you might have. And the State License Bureau hides a lot of that information, so I found it. I'm going to share that with you. I'm also going to show you how to get a free trial and a $250 credit on a software program that you'll be able to use at 5 months at no charge. So watch to the end of the video and I'll show you how to do that. So here's a quick overview of what you need to do to get your New Jersey dealer license. You need to get a dealer surety bond and insurance. You're going to register with the New Jersey Department of Treasury so you can get your sales tax number. You'll need to meet some quick location requirements. And finally, complete a simple online dealer application, and your New Jersey dealer license should be approved in about 4 to 5 weeks. They're about 4 to 5 weeks out. First of all, you need a $10,000 bond. It's a dealer surety bond. And you might assume a $10,000 dealer surety bond costs $10,000, but no, it does not. Your dealer surety bond is based on your credit score. And I want to show you how to get the cheapest dealer surety bond. I have assisted entrepreneurs just like you in obtaining their dealer surety bonds for well over 20 years. And through my experience, I've found how to obtain the cheapest dealer surety bonds in the quickest manner possible. So the best approach is using a quoting system that instantly checks your credit score and matches your bond with a bond carrier that specializes in customers with specific credit profiles. And this targeted process, I believe, is going to save you hours and hours of phone calls and research. And in most cases, it's going to deliver you the first bond the cheapest bond right from the start. So to get the cheapest bond, I'm going to recommend that you go to dealerslicense.com. Once again, that is dealerslicense.com. Click on the bonds link at the top of every page. And then you're going to scroll down and click on the New Jersey bond link. And you will need to wait a few moments for that system to load. It does take 30 to 45 seconds for that bond quoting system to load. So I ask you to please be patient. You're going to enter a little bit of information, including your social security number, but it will need to do a soft credit check that will not affect your credit score because your bond price will be directly tied to your credit score. And then your bond will just pop up on a screen. And you'll see it like it is right here. It's a 2-page form, and you're going to need to go ahead and sign the front page, and then the second page is pre-signed by the bonding company. So you'll submit both these pages. Just make sure you scan both these onto your computer, and that shows the state of New Jersey that you're going to operate with the very highest level of ethical standards. So once again, to get the cheapest bonds, I recommend visiting dealerslicense.com. Click on the bonds link at the top of every page. Now, you'll also need to have your insurance in effect. So while you're at dealerslicense.com, you can click on the insurance link to get an affordable quote with one of our preferred insurance partners, excuse me. And what you're going to need is called a 125,250 policy in order to get a dealer's license. So that's $100,000 per person and incident, $250,000 per property damage, and $250,000 combined. Okay. Now make sure your insurance agent knows that you do need that 30-day cancellation clause, and they'll know exactly what you're talking about. State law is very clear. Your certificate holder must be the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission. So once you have your insurance in effect, you're going to get what's called your Accord 25 form, like you see right here. And down there at the very bottom, you're going to see that the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission is called the certificate holder. So there's a chance your insurance agent might not be aware of this. So make sure that the certificate holder on the insurance policy is New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission. And this just shows the state of New Jersey that all your vehicles are insured. Every vehicle driven in the state is required to be insured, including the vehicles that you own, and may possibly allow a customer to test drive. So once again, hopefully this will also deliver the cheapest insurance quote for you through one of our preferred partners, dealerslicense.com, and hopefully that'll help you get the lowest insurance rate. Next, you will need to register with the New Jersey Department of Treasury website so you can acquire your required sales tax license, which will easily allow you to charge sales tax when you're selling a vehicle. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a great program that will compute and charge sales tax for you. So if you've never owned a business that charges sales tax, it cannot be any easier. It's a couple clicks of the mouse. And I'll talk about that with you here at the very end of this video. So first of all, you can just go to NJ Portal, as you see right here, and you'll easily be able to register to get what's called your tax certificate of authority. Okay, so it's pretty easy to find that website. Once you're on there, you're going to click that green Get Started button, and a New Jersey sales tax license is going to be required. I also want you to be aware, if you play through this video and watch the other videos I've included on this playlist, it's very extensive for New Jersey dealers. It goes into the whole process of getting your dealer plates, of actually registering through the online portal. I've got about 2 to 2.5 hours of content just for New Jersey dealers. So you might go ahead and play to the end of this video, and I've attached a very informative playlist for all the New Jersey specifications. So hopefully you watch that playlist, and hopefully that'll be very, very beneficial for you. I do want you to be aware that a sales tax is required before you can get your dealer's license. So that allows you to legally charge sales tax, and I'll show you how to do that very easily later on in the playlist. Next, I want to talk about your size requirements. Your office must be at least 8 by 9, and you're going to need a desk chair and somewhere to store your documents. The state does still require that you have a landline telephone, so you need to make sure that AT&T or whoever can run a line in there. The great thing about having a New Jersey license is you're only required to have 2 display spots. Now, there's a lot of companies out there that have actually built buildings just to rent New Jersey dealers their actual dealership license facility. So hopefully this will be helpful for you. If you are a wholesale dealer, there's no lot requirement, but if you do have a lot, the display lot must be the same address as your building. And I want you to be aware, if you're not willing to find a location that meets local zoning, you might as well stop playing the video now. You're never going to get into this industry. You will need to rent or maybe buy some type of facility that meets local zoning. And if you're not willing to do that, you are missing out on a very, very lucrative business opportunity. If you're willing to take the steps and actually get your New Jersey dealer license, you're going to find that this is one of the most profitable businesses out there, because when you get into dealer auctions and realize how low vehicles are selling for and how much you're selling them retail a week or so later, you'll probably wish you got your New Jersey dealer license many, many years ago. But, if you are aware of one of those companies that rents New Jersey dealer properties, please leave their contact information in the comments below. And that'll help other dealers that are watching this video. Once you've completed the steps, and I will break those down in great detail later on in your New Jersey playlist at the end of this video, you're going to scan your dealer surety bond and your insurance, your sales tax license, your owner ID. You will need to take up a couple photographs and any other documentation that you might have. And then you're going to create an account at nj.gov, okay? So an easy way to do it is just go to Google or whatever your favorite search engine is, enter New Jersey dealer license application, click on the state of New Jersey there, And once you've applied for your license, you should get it back from the state in about 4 to 6 weeks. And if you watch the other videos in this playlist, I'm going to break down each pre-license step in great detail for New Jersey dealers, show you how to apply for your New Jersey dealer license step by step, and show you how to get your dealer plates and issue temporary permits, everything else later on in the playlist. I want to give you some valuable information. I have found that most state dealer licensing offices' contact information can be extremely difficult to find. So here's the contact information for the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission. This is the Business Licensing Bureau, and you'll see the phone number right there, 609-292-6500. You will need to select extension 5014, and then there is actually a website for you as well. It's pretty long here, but I want to read it to you. nj.gov/mvc/business/dealership.htm. Did you catch all that? You can screenshot this or just Google. You might be able to get it through Google, but make sure and maybe take a screenshot of this. That shows you the exact dealer license office, so you can reach out to them with questions you might have about obtaining specific questions about obtaining your New Jersey dealer license. Now, as stated earlier in the video, a good dealer management software program is going to help you maintain New Jersey compliance with New Jersey law, helps you run your dealership, and shows you many of the things I've showed you right here with a few clicks of the mouse. I want to show you what a really good dealer management software program, or DMS, is capable of. It will really streamline the operation of any New Jersey dealership, whether you are selling a few vehicles a year, maybe you're selling a few thousand vehicles a year. But there's a wide range of benefits for any dealership in New Jersey, and it's going to help you manage your operations efficiently and effectively, and can help you make additional revenue as well. So you can go to dealerslicense.com, click on the software link right there. I'll show you that again in a moment. You'll be able to acquire any inventory that you're ever looking for. So no matter what, if you've built that relationship with the customer and you don't have the specific vehicle that they're looking for, you can boot up this software program, and it will scan all the dealer auctions, all the other dealers that have vehicles for sale, wholesale, and it also scans what's called OVE, which is the Online Vehicle Exchange. If you watch to the end of this video and watch the New Jersey playlist, I talk about OVE, which is a huge wholesale dealer-only network where you can buy vehicles. You can actually show your customer the vehicle that you want to buy for them and hide the price and figure up the profits and get it shipped to your dealership very easily, usually within about 24 to 48 hours. You can acquire any inventory that your customer is looking for. You can start the important process of learning wholesale value, which we call booking services. So you need to know wholesale values. You need to know when to buy and when not to buy. This software's got a VIN scanner in it where you can put this on your phone, and when you're at a dealer auction, just take a picture of the VIN through the windshield. It's going to show you all types of vehicle data, including wholesale pricing for that vehicle. So it kind of shows you what to be giving at wholesale dealer auctions so you don't get burned like I did when I first got my first few dealer auctions years ago. I didn't know how to buy, and I spent too much on some vehicles the first few instances because I didn't know what wholesale pricing was. But another great thing this software will do is allow you to run vehicle history reports. Please watch in the playlist later on. You're going to see me break down vehicle history reports. You got to run a vehicle history report when you're buying vehicles from individuals, especially, or taking trades. But this is the cheapest ones I've ever been able to find. So it runs vehicle history reports for you. It's got all of your New Jersey forms. It's got a New Jersey forms library built into it. You can create some professional window stickers. You can also market your vehicles. So you can take a couple pictures of that car you got for sale. And, if your dealership's in the state of New Jersey, you can sell vehicles all over the world. So it's going to put your vehicles on cars.com, cargurus.com, couple clicks with the mouse. You're on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Google vehicle listings. So the whole world has become your market. And this is going to boost your visibility and your search engine optimization as well. It's going to build a custom website for you with payment calculators for your customer, things like that. It also includes what's called deal drivers. So no matter where your customer lives, you can type in their email, and all the required New Jersey documents are emailed to them directly for them to digitally sign. You can complete the entire process online. And then after that, click the mouse and you can line up with a company that will deliver that vehicle from your location, no matter where that customer lives. But if you do have a customer in your New Jersey dealer office and they need a loan, you can get a loan in about 30 seconds, regardless of their credit score. And they're going to make payments directly to those lending companies, and the lending companies will wire transfer the entire purchase price of those vehicles directly into your checking or savings account, usually within 24 to 48 hours. You got your money no matter what. Even if that customer stops making payments, you got your money no matter what. It also connects with the state's electronic title ordering system to ensure the customer's new title is ordered and delivered. It allows you to easily maintain your New Jersey compliance. It also allows you to start a very profitable buy here, pay here dealership management system. Buy here, pay here is extremely profitable. Watching the playlist, I break that down for you later on in the New Jersey playlist at the end of this video. You can watch that. You can also start selling your loans. So you may not be aware of this, but your loans that you create, especially the buy here, pay here, high risk loans, are very valuable. And there's a lot of investors who want to buy those. So you can package your loans together and sell them every month with a couple of clicks with the mouse. It's really cool, the revenue models that we've got now compared to just a few years ago. So most dealer programs start at $60 a month. This particular one does 25-cent vehicle history reports. I want to show you how to get a 30-day free trial of this one with a $250 credit, which is going to allow you to use this program for about 5.5 months at no charge. Okay, now you can go directly to their website. You might get a 30-day free trial, but you're not going to get that $250 credit. So my best advice for you, once again, go to dealerslicense.com, dealerslicense.com, click on the software link at the top of every single page there, and click that little blue free trial and $250 credit, and you'll see our website there that has the logo on there. I am going to recommend that you do this maybe as you're getting ready to get your license, or maybe after you've just gotten your license. You don't want to do it too early because this will ensure that the free usage will last well into the first few months that you're actually in business. If you start your free trial before you have your dealer license, that's going to cut into the time that you can use it for free after you're actually running your new business. So I always recommend this as one of your final steps, maybe right before you're getting ready to apply, or maybe on the day you've received your license. I strongly encourage you to use a good dealer management software program. It's going to really simplify the operation of your dealership, dramatically simplifies the operation, and dramatically helps you maintain your compliance. So bottom line, a good dealer management system streamlines the paperwork, whether you're buying, selling, marketing, financing, and you can even sell your loans. I think you'll find it very, very advantageous. I also want you to be aware all the information in your New Jersey dealer playlist at the end of this. So you're going to be able to find out how to complete titles as a New Jersey dealer. So I'll break down how to complete a title. You'll need to be a titling expert. You're going to fill out titles a little bit differently as a New Jersey dealer. Excuse me, sorry about that. So I'll show you how to complete titles. I'm going to show you how to do a complete deal. I'm going to show you how to maintain records, collect and remit New Jersey sales tax. I'm going to show you how to get your dealer plates and order what are called interim plates. So if you play through to the playlist, I've got about 2.5 hours of specific New Jersey dealer license content. Play to the end of this video and you can just play that playlist. I hope that's very helpful for you. So what else can you do with your New Jersey dealer license? Well, you can export vehicles to other countries. I got an extensive video on that later on in a playlist. I'll show you how to sell F&I products, which can triple or even quadruple the profit on a vehicle when you're selling it above the markup. I'm going to show you which insurance policy is best for you. I'm going to show you how to get a floor plan, which is a loan for your inventory. I'm going to show you how to get into your dealer auctions and not get burned like I did when I first got my dealer auctions. I'm going to show you how to run extensive vehicle history reports. I'm going to show you to apply a proven negotiation strategies, how to donate vehicles for huge tax write-offs, how to buy vehicles on that OVE, that's the online vehicle exchange. I'm going to show you which is the best corporation structure for you. I'm also going to show you how to get financing for every person. So please play the playlist. A lot of great New Jersey information that I've created for you. I hope you find it very, very advantageous. Hope you subscribe to the channel. And once again, if you have any questions about getting your New Jersey dealer license, go to dealerslicense.com or just play this video, and then you're going to be able to see a lot of videos specifically for New Jersey dealers. I hope you found this information helpful, and I want to wish you the very best of luck in obtaining your New Jersey dealer license. Thank you very much.